Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Welcome home, son. How was your day at school?
It was great, Mom. I learned many new things today.
That's nice. What did you learn?
We learned new English words and practiced speaking.
Wonderful. How was your math class?
It was good. We solved multiplication problems.
Did you have any tests today?
Yes, I had a science quiz.
How did it go?
I think I did well because I studied last night.
Excellent. What did you do during recess?
I played football with my friends.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, our team won the game.
That's great. What did you eat for lunch?
I had a sandwich, an apple, and some juice.
Very healthy. Do you have homework today?
Yes, I have math and English homework.
Will you finish it today?
Yes, I will do it after a short rest.
Good boy. Did anything special happen at school?
Yes, our school announced an art competition.
Are you going to join?
Yes, I am very excited.
That's wonderful. I am proud of you.
Thank you, Mom.
Now go wash your hands and have a snack.
Okay, Mom. Thank you.
Before you go, tell me more about your day.
Sure, Mom. My first class was English.
What did your teacher teach today?
She taught us new vocabulary words and asked us to use them in sentences.
Did you answer any questions?
Yes, I answered 2 questions correctly.
Very good. Your confidence is improving.
Thank you, Mom. I am trying my best.
That is what matters.
My teacher also asked us to read a short story.
Did you enjoy the story?
Yes, it was very interesting.
What was it about?
It was about a boy who worked hard to achieve his goals.
That sounds like a good lesson.
Yes, it taught us never to give up.
I like that message.
Me too.
What happened after English class?
We had math class.
Was it difficult?
Some questions were difficult, but my teacher explained them very well.
That's nice.
I solved most of the questions by myself.
Excellent work.
I felt happy when I got the answers right.
You should be proud of yourself.
Thanks, Mom.
Did your teachers give you any advice today?
Yes, they told us to work hard and respect everyone.
That is very good advice.
They also told us to read books every day.
Reading helps you learn new things.
I know. I want to start reading more storybooks.
That's a great idea.
Maybe you can help me choose one.
Of course. We can visit a bookstore this weekend.
Really? That would be amazing.
Yes, we can look for some interesting books.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
I also received a star from my teacher today.
That's wonderful. Why did you get it?
Because I completed all my classwork on time.
Well done. Keep up the good work.
Thank you, Mom.
Do you have any homework today?
Yes, I have a small project about healthy habits.
That sounds interesting.
Can you help me with it later?
Of course.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm also excited about the art competition.
What will you draw?
A beautiful park with trees and flowers.
That sounds lovely.
I hope I do well.
I'm sure you will.
Thanks, Mom.
Now go wash your hands and enjoy your snack.
Okay, Mom. Thank you. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.